What's the meaning of complicit? Complicit. Complicit.
Complicit. Complicit. Complicit means being involved in or associated with a wrongful or illegal act. It can refer to both active participation or passive acquiescence. The result of being complicit can vary depending on the context and severity of the wrongdoing. In some cases, it may lead to legal consequences such as fines or imprisonment. In other cases, it may result in social or reputational damage. Being complicit can also have psychological effects such as guilt or shame. Ultimately, it is important to avoid being complicit in immoral or unlawful actions to maintain personal integrity and societal values.